Hello, today I'm about to show the rest of my garden tour. I have a watermelon here that is still growing. It's about this big. Y'all comment down below and tell me how long y'all think that's gonna grow to ripen, how long it's gonna take. I guess about 2 to 3 more weeks. I'm just guessing at this point, don't quote me on that. I have a second watermelon here that's grown on a different vine, and that beauty is right here. It's a little bigger than the other one. Like if you can see that, it's a little bit bigger than the other one. And I'm gonna show you my tomatoes. I just spotted. I would hurry up and pick the camera back up because it's cut off yesterday. Today is a new day. I've seen a worm or whatever you call it on one of my tomatoes that I'm gonna pick. So I'm gonna pick that real quick, and then I'm gonna resume the tour of my progression of my garden bed and garden. But first, let me find him. Where was he at? Dang. Let's see if we can spot him. I should have. Oh, here we go. Look, this thingy right here. Can you see that? Him. Let me see. Him right here. I don't know what is this. What you call this thingy? So I don't like bugs. Look, I'm from the city, but with this gardening, I'm from Detroit, Michigan, but with this gardening, I'm from Midwest. I'm gonna just say that. But with this gardening, you're gonna have to hand pick these bugs. And yeah. So, where'd he go? Oh, here we go. Okay. Alright. Now I'm about to try to pick them. Hopefully y'all can see this. Oh, God. Hopefully I don't jump and do stupid crap. But let's see. Let's see if I can grab them. Let's see how skilled I am. Dang, am I gonna have to put y'all down? Let's see. I'm trying to grab them live on camera so y'all can see. Hopefully y'all can see. I don't think y'all gonna be even able to see. But let me grab them. Yeah. Stop playing because I hate bugs and I'm stalling. I don't want to smash my tomatoes and whatnot because he's eating my tomato. I think I made him move. Hold on. Because I'm a fraidy cat. So it's taking long. Because I'm a scaredy cat. Because I hate bugs. So let me try to grab him. Got him, y'all. I got him. Y'all tell me, it took a whole 2 minutes for my scary butt to grab this worm thingy. Y'all tell me, this is not a caterpillar. Y'all tell me what kind of bug is this? I guess it's one of them, what they call hornworms? I don't know. So he a baby, I guess. I don't know. Don't give me the line. I don't know. But I'm about to check, make sure the rest of those don't have them worms, or I don't know what to call them, y'all. And I'm looking, I'm just gonna show y'all the tomato plant here in a second, but I want to make sure it's another one. And my leaves pretty, they not real bushy where I can't see anything, so I can see, so make sure they not in the brush and separate some of these leaves. And just pull this one off. Oop, hold on. Sister again popped out. Anyway, let me show y'all this plant real quick. Cause it's hot and I'm sweating. I'm beginning to sweat. But anyway, this is one. This is a sweetie. This one. And that one's a sweetie. And as y'all can see, it is tomatoes growing all over the place. See that bunch about to ripen up? They got more here, more over there. It's just full with up there. It's full with tomatoes. This one here, look at all the tomatoes, guys. Look at that. It's filled with tomatoes. So that's how that's doing. Both of these are sweet tomatoes that I planted back March 28th. And this is how big they have grown. I got 6 in total of them. I got 4. If you see up here, I got 4 sweetie tomatoes. And I got 2 these right here. That's full of tomatoes as well. This is another tree that's in the my garden bed. Look at the tomatoes. That's all over. I didn't with these tomatoes. I did not take off the suckers or anything. I let them grow pretty well. Look at those sets right there. They're growing in quite nicely. Quite nicely, as you can see. The suckers here. Look at these suckers. So I think for my first time, I'm growing the tomatoes quite great. Look at that one. Oh, I'm about to pick it, y'all. Do y'all think it's right? It's red. This is a my cherry tomato, and the other one is the sweet tea cherry tomato, I believe. So let me pick this one. I want to do it on camera, y'all, so y'all can see. And let's see. If it don't pop off, do that mean it's not right? Do that mean that it's not right? Y'all gotta see them. I don't know. This is my first time. Boop. Here we go. I'm not gonna eat it. I know people just take it right off the tree and be eating it. I'm gonna rinse mine off. I don't know. I'm not that. It's crazy. I'm not. I'm not there yet. So yeah. So I don't know why, but this leaf back here is turning kind of yellow. I'm so sorry about the noise, guys. That is my okay, let me make this real quick. My leaves just turned yellow, and if I'm looking right here, it like something is eating my plant, and I haven't noticed that at all. I wonder what is eating it. It's making my leaves turn yellow, and I don't like that. But look at the fruit that's all on this tomato. This is a cherry one. Here's a set there. Set down here. Set's coming in here. Set's coming in this small. So they're doing pretty well. I just need to know what the heck is eating now. I mean, eating this one. Here's the other set. And this is a sweetie over here. I'll show y'all this. So, yeah. This is, let me go lean back here so I can show you how the garden bed is looking from this angle. This is how the garden bed looks. It's very covered and lush with the tomatoes. Oh, here my little pepper, y'all. It didn't grow. It got a flower. Look. It got a flower. Y'all can see that. So hopefully it produce some peppers. So yeah, that's how this bed looking. I think it's doing quite good, my garden, y'all. So let me step out of the garden bed, because I'm currently standing in the garden bed. Let me try to show y'all a shot. It's the side garden here that's in the ground. Tomato trees there. Cantaloupe central right here. This tomato corner. This watermelon over there. Honeydew back here. Here go the garden bed with the 4 tomatoes, 1 pepper, and the watermelon and honeydew back there. So that's how that looks. And that is an update on my garden. I will turn the camera around, but it's so hot out here. I'm sweating bullets. So that's how that's looking. And that's an update on my garden bed and backyard garden. So don't let anyone say you can't grow a bounty of food yourself and you have to continue to go to these grocery stores. You can. Look, I had a garden about probably 7 years ago. It wasn't even a garden. I think I had a few plants. I had a watermelon, a cucumber, and they grew and everything. But I'm really pretty much starting from scratch. I don't remember anything I did from like 5 to 7 years ago. So I'm pretty much brand new. You know, I think gardening is something that you constantly got to do every year to get better. You can't do it one time. And if you make a mistake or something not growing right, there's always another plant that you can plant. And it's always next season. Or do it the next time until you get it right. Do not give up. So sorry. So, thank you for watching. I get it out the soil. If I didn't say it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so every time I upload, you guys can know that I'm getting it out the soil. Okay? Thank you guys for visiting my backyard garden with me. And as you can see, it's doing quite nicely. And that's it for this video. Until next time, peace.